Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the June 2026 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is the smaller of our two collection kits, so it includes two brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. If you want even more collections, then check out our flavors of the month. When you subscribe to the kits, you have lots of freebies that come along with it. So number one, you have a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for our members. And so this month is this awesome cut file with the speech bubbles and the title Good Times Start Here. You also have access to two recipe cards. These are for double page layouts that our design team creates for you, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and you'll have a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them if you'd like. We also have sketches and challenges over on the Facebook group and the blog, so you want to be sure to sign up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can see all the process videos that the design team is posting with their layouts and projects for this month's kit. So this month, our two collections that we're featuring are Faded Memory Lane from 49 and Market and Americana Summer from Cartabella. Let's dig right in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's kit. The first collection we're going to look at is Faded Memory Lane from 49 and Market. And to start with, you're going to get two sheets of natural cardstock and one sheet of almond cream. Your pattern paper is this one here called Wildflower Notes. Lots of little ledger papers torn, and the floral and the mixed media. The back has a big daisies over here with text in the background and watercoloring. We have this that's a perfect background in the blue. The back, another one with foliage and text and florals. This paper's Field Report. And we have this paper's Forgotten, which is kind of like a denim print with distressing. Love that. And the back is this diamond shape, tone on tone blue, and there's text and florals on that one as well. So I love the colors in this collection. So soft, so pretty. So that is your pattern paper. For your embellishments, they will vary among the kits, but you're going to get one sheet of the laser cuts. So these are the ones that I got. I have a little bird and some floral and foliage. So that is Faded Memory Lane from 49 and Market. Our next collection is Americana Summer from Cartabella, and this is a gorgeous patriotic collection. You're going to start with two sheets of white cardstock and one sheet of red. Your pattern paper is this beautiful floral bouquet in the red, blue, and white. The back is a red with a grid of stitching in black. This is patriotic floral. And then we have this blue floral here. And the back is a diamond print, tone on tone. That paper is Summertime Floral. And then we have this one with all of the jugs and the crocks. I love it. I love that they put their little branding here. And the back is another dark blue print, and this has some dark stitching as well. This one is called Painted Pottery. And for the embellishments, everyone will receive the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So these are always jam-packed full. Love all the beautiful icons. Everything is fine when there is sunshine and friends. Long summer days with family or everything. So this is perfect for all your summer documenting. So that is Americana Summer from Cartabella. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group, join in the challenges and win some prizes. Share what you're creating. Be sure to check out the store. We have lots of individual items and other kits available. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.